आई रिमेम्बर पहले तो बताना पड़ता था कि मोगा है कहाँ पे। जब मैं नागपुर में इंजीनियरिंग करने गया तो लोगों से बताना पड़ता था लुधियाना से 60 किलोमीटर आगे है, फिरोजपुर से 50 किलोमीटर पहले है। एंड देन वंस यू बिकेम एन एक्टर, पीपल को लगा अरे यार अच्छा मोगा जहाँ से सोनू सूद है। हर एक छोटे से छोटे शहर, छोटे से छोटे गाँव में एक हीरो होता है जो कुछ ऐसा जिंदगी में करता है जो आपको प्रेरित करता है। मैं जब पंजाब में था उस समय टेररिज्म बहुत पीक पे था। दैट्स द रीजन आई वेंट टू नागपुर टू डू माई स्टडीज। पर उस समय भी बहुत सारे लोग, ऐसे इंडिविजुअल्स, ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स जो बाहर आए, उन्होंने कई परिवारों को बचाया और बताया कि किस तरह आप इकट्ठे होकर इन चीज़ों से लड़ सकते हो। अगर ये मुझे बनाने दिया और कॉपीराइट का चक्कर ना डाले तो मैं तो कई उसमें से कहानियां बना दूंगा। बट यस, इट्स सो इंटरेस्टिंग टू गो थ्रू दोज स्टोरीज।
Sonu, thank you for your time today. How have you been? How's life been? What's been keeping you busy?
Thank you so much. I think it's every day is very special. You meet a lot of people, seek their blessings. They guide you what to do, what not to do, and just following the path that has been shown by the Almighty. Still miles to go, but the journey is on.
Right. And this new project, that you've come up with, what an incredible theme because it resonates, with your life, with your recent works. It's all about, these incredible stories that we get to hear through your new show. Why don't you come up? Why don't you, in fact, share the theme of the project and how much could you resonate with these interesting stories that you came up while doing the show?
It's very special. I always believe that it happens only in India. The name says it all. I remember as a kid we used to hear stories from grandfather, grandmother. They used to tell कि तुम्हें पता था एक था राजा एक थी रानी, and they were the best hosts, the best narrators who used to tell the stories which we could actually see in real. And then there was a phase that law of social media thing came in, and we all got lost in that madness. But now again we are back with this with a show which is going to take you back to those memory lanes where we say that an individual sitting in different a small town in Jharkhand or in Bihar or in Punjab has made India proud. So I think it's going to be very special. I've learned a lot as a narrator or as a host. But yeah, this was one of the most special experiences I had in recent times.
And your journey started from Moga and now you're in Mumbai. मतलब मोगे में भी तो कुछ ऐसी इंटरेस्टिंग अनकन्वेंशनल स्टोरीज तो आपने देखी होंगी. Are there any unconventional stories that you would like to share with us that you witnessed during your life?
In मोगा आई रिमेम्बर पहले तो बताना पड़ता था कि मोगा है कहाँ पे। जब मैं नागपुर में इंजीनियरिंग करने गया तो लोगों से बताना पड़ता था लुधियाना से 60 किलोमीटर आगे है, फिरोजपुर से 50 किलोमीटर पहले है। एंड देन वंस यू बिकेम एन एक्टर, पीपल को लगा अरे यार अच्छा मोगा जहाँ से सोनू सूद है। तो फिर एक वो अलग दौर था। बट आई ऑलवेज बिलीव कि हर एक छोटे से छोटे शहर, छोटे से छोटे गांव में एक हीरो होता है जो कुछ ऐसा जिंदगी में करता है जो आपको प्रेरित करता है। एज ए किड आई सीन दोज मोमेंट स्टोरीज, क्योंकि मैं जब पंजाब में था उस समय टेररिज्म बहुत पीक पे था। दैट्स द रीजन आई वेंट टू नागपुर टू डू माई स्टडीज। पर उस समय भी बहुत सारे लोग, ऐसे इंडिविजुअल्स, ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स जो बाहर आए, उन्होंने कई परिवारों को बचाया और बताया कि किस तरह आप इकट्ठे होकर इन चीज़ों से लड़ सकते हो। तो उनकी स्टोरीज हम लोग देखते थे। मेरे मदर खुद प्रोफेसर थे, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे पढ़ने के लिए घर पे आते थे, एंड वी यूज्ड टू सी दोस स्टूडेंट्स की हाउ दीज students who are still in the colleges are fighting for the country. So yes, I always say that there's a story hidden in every part of our country. We just need to make sure that that hero has been brought in front of the entire world, so that many more heroes should get inspired and do their bit.
And are there any learnings about India, after hosting the show that sort of really took you by surprise and you're like, अच्छा ये तो मुझे पता ही नहीं था.
Yeah, many more. I think every day when I used to go through the script, अरे यार अच्छा ऐसा भी हुआ था। एक आदमी ने हजारों हेक्टर्स के जंगल लगा दिए, किसी आदमी ने पहाड़ काट दिए, किसी ने सबसे बड़ा टनल बना दिया, इसरो ने क्या क्या किया, रॉकेट्स कैसे बने, किस तरह ये सब चीजें शुरुआत हुई, किस तरह एक आम इंसान जिसकी शायद वो कैपेबिलिटी थी भी नहीं बनाने की, लेकिन वो कर पाया ऐसा। तो ये सब जो कहानी जब आप सुनते हो बताने से पहले लोगों को, आपको बहुत इंस्पायर करती है और आपको लगता है कि यार कमाल है। You feel blessed to be a part of that show. You not only tell those stories, but you also get to know about those stories.
And I think National Geographic has also done a very important role in giving you some interesting scripts. क्योंकि हर story से एक script तो निकल ही रही है. तो how many films do we see coming up now?
मैं तो अगर ये मुझे बनाने दिया और कॉपीराइट का चक्कर ना डाले तो मैं तो कई उसमें से कहानियां बना दूंगा. But yes, it's so interesting to go through those stories where how an idea changed everything and brought so much of happiness in many lives. So I think that's what India is all about. कि हर घर में एक हीरो है, बस उसे पर्दे पर लाने वाला चाहिए.
Yeah, exactly. And we're talking of heroism. How can we not talk about your social work, which has sort of made you emerge as an icon of heroism, which Bollywood usually does not really is accustomed to. So what exactly is the significance of this new role that you have, and very interesting responsibility that you have up your shoulders?
When I finished my engineering, I came to Mumbai to become an actor. I thought that, being a part of a 100 crore film or a 200 crore film was my dream. And I did many films in different languages, in Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Marathi, English, Chinese, a lot of films I did. And that, man, I made my parents proud and I've done something good in my life. And I always wanted to do that. Until I would say, rediscovered myself as what I'm doing today. And I realized actually this is what the real role of my life was. When there's no light, no camera, just action. So you have to deliver, you have to bring that smile in a needy face. An individual who comes from one part of the country with a lot of hope, selling a bicycle, selling a cooler, selling his mobile phone, with a hope to reach to my residence, Googles my address, sleeps all night, and waits till in the morning that when Sonu is going to leave from the house, or maybe sometimes I'm not in town and still they wait for 3, 4 days to come back and change that life. So I think that responsibility, that feel on my shoulders, keeps me going. I know it's a huge responsibility, but yes, the blessings of the entire country keeps me on my toes always.